Welcome back everyone. In today's video I'm going to update my chisel rack because now I've got 9 more chisels and it's time to add those to the rack. This chisel rack is completely customizable. It is very simple to build and I'm going to show you how I put it together. As I've shown in previous videos and on my shop tour, my chisel rack is fairly long. It goes right along this shelf. Now I have 19 chisels in which to fit into this chisel rack. Now I never made a video on this chisel rack because it's such a simple design. Anyone can make this. It's really quite easy. It's one piece of cedar that's been cut in an L shape. There's the profile of the cedar. All I did was cut notches on the table saw. You can generally make a chisel rack that will fit all your chisels using one size fits all kind of approach, but I like my chisels to stay in one place. I don't want them to shake around or rattle while they're up on the shelf, so I decided to go with a custom approach. There we have it, the updated chisel rack. And there's room for more at the end. Well, that concludes how to make an adjustable chisel rack with some new chisels in it. If you want to donate to this channel and keep it going, head on over to my donation page right over here. Alternately, you can donate via Patreon in the link in the description below. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. There are a couple more videos on this side you can watch. Until next time, thanks for watching and have a great day.